Are you panicky with the level of low AMH in your blood reports? AMH is the anti-Mullerian hormone that is released from your eggs. It is the indicator of the balance of your eggs at that particular time. It doesn't indicate your chances of pregnancy at all. So even if your AMH is 0.2, you still have a fair chance of pregnancy.
Habayikran bikin patai kubor Menteri Rangba ke Jylliew Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulaong baka kenun Menteri kala menjur bantau ke Meghalaya State Policy on Construction and Demolition ban perking ya kejing berat pathar ki lengkhot lengkai iba mi ni kejing tei ne jing penpra ya kinu kejing tei ke Sorkar kala penmi ke nega polisi ke deban pentikna bagi lengkhot lengkai iba mi ni kejing shna ya kejing tei ne jing penpra ya kejing tei bade ban le ha ke rukom ke badai Nalor kania ulia tu bagi Sorkar kala menjur ban penkelano yang kekerteng jong ke Lady Hydri Park jaka Pan Nong Light Park ke Badan Hambarik Shillong. Ulia tu ru bagi kenhun menteri kala menjur ban mang ya kipos haka Shillong Public Higher Secondary School namar kejing dan kino hikai kedang duna bha. Berantau ru kipos haka State NSS Cell kumpala betha ke Sorkar Peneng. Ukonrad Kongkal Sangma ulaong balapan kelaru iki katukan iki kendon jong ke Meghalaya State Food Commission Rules haga bedai bat kasamoy trekam jong chairman. Bat kani kalongkat kum iki kendon an ke balabo bat pen trekam hakari berkawai. Nalor kani uliya tho baka kenhun menteri kala rairu ban pen kiono ke song tengka naga bentak sipai ke Jylliew ke be opdiang yaki khusnam baper haka Army, Navy bat Air Force. Bat kele taisani bat ajing menjor yaka wakt board rules.
The proposal for creation of posts for Shillong Higher Secondary School. As you are aware that it was upgraded to a higher secondary school, but there were not enough teaching staff there for that, and hence that those particular posts for the higher secondary school were created, and today that was cleared by the cabinet. Third is that we have amended some rules in the Meghalaya State Food Commission rules in terms of the period of time of the chairman. So that was in accordance with the rules that have been laid on at the national level. So we were just making it compliable and compatible to the national rules. We have also passed the decision to rename Lady Hydri Park to Pan Nong Light Park. This again was a decision which was taken a very, very long time back, and this has been again going up and down because of administrative complications that took place earlier. But we have finally today cleared this proposal, and the renaming of Lady Hydri Park to Pan Nong Light Park was decided today.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylliew Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula pentip bahaka tayo beningkong jong penai Jylliew ke senam arajar arpulai kan sedang no ke Jingiakren esok apa dengan kenhun keng atiar Nyautrap National Liberation Council HNLC bat ke Sorkar. Uli itu bu sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylliew ba Preston Tensong rengkat ke Jingi dan lang uksiang kile kendu iginong ngam ke HNLC. Bat kile syemekarai ba ke Jingiakren esok kan sedang no nadu ubnai banwan. Ukonrad Kongkal Sangma ulaong baki nongelam ke HNLC kila penpau ke bedai bat ki kat to kini kimat. Kumta ke Sorkar kan persyang ban penti kena bagi nugi senjam ki baki syem kenlong ki bayahab bat ki kendon bat ki ban shingan habrok giliang bat an persyang ban syem khialang wat ikiwei pat kimat ki basngu khiaru. Menteri Rangba ulaong balarigi kendon kilong pat sabar uput usam jong ke jengkmi ke Sorkar Jylliew kumta ke Jingiakren an hab bandon lang ki he jong ke Sorkar Peneng. Bat yakum kini kimat on hab banekran hakan ke kerdan.
First was we have informed the cabinet today, and we'd like to inform everybody that meeting was there that took place in the last few days. In fact, it took place yesterday, where the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister has had an informal meeting, and we in this meeting with the HNLC, where the political secretary, vice chairman, executive members were present, and the interlocutor was also present, and it was decided and formally communicated that the formal talks with the HNLC will start in the first week of June.